Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. I gave you guys update on my garden. Well, this is not a full garden update. This is just on my green vegetable. Yeah, I showed you guys when it was like very tiny. So it's been like over a month now. I gave you guys update on this garden. So here is my green. It has grown so well, and I'm plugging them and they are freezing them up. Just a closer look at how beautiful the green look. Yeah, so I don't know if you're familiar with this type of green. I believe if you're from Nigeria, you'll be pretty much familiar with this green. So what I'm doing today, I'll be plugging all of the green, and after that I went ahead and also plugged them up from the stems. Yes, so this took me a couple of days, not just one day job. So today, this is day one. This is all I got, and I already plugged them up. And the next step is to go ahead and wash these and cut them up. So back inside my house, in my kitchen, I got about 3 baskets full. So the next step is to wash them. I wash them and I remove any unwanted particles, like those ones that is like turning yellow. Yeah, so I remove them and I proceed with washing and rinsing. I did like 3 times or 4 times kind of thing. So well, the purpose is just to keep washing until I'm satisfied that they are all clean, no unwanted leaf or um discoloration in it. So after that, and after rinsing, the next step is to cut them off. So here we are. Sometimes you kind of like want to like pick this up one at a time to have them organized all the head in one part, but doing this is frustrating. It's gonna take you forever, maybe till eternity. So what I do is just to grab a handful. This is the easy way we do this. Okay, just grab a handful, holding it tight. Okay, then we'll just chop it through in the middle like that. Then we went ahead and grabbed the part that we chopped up and fold it in, and then now we have a smooth surface to work on. This is just easy way to do this versus picking them up and trying to have them organized and arranged. No, we don't want to do that. So start chopping and cutting all of this up until I have all my vegetables cut up. Okay, so just, you can go, if you're used to doing this all the time, you can go faster, but if it's your first time, you want to go slower because you don't want to cut your hand as well. After doing this for the first day, second day, now I realize how hard it is to cut vegetables. Yeah, it is so hard to cut vegetables. So I'll continue with this process until I have all the vegetable all sliced up. So I'm just showing you guys again on second attempt, like um how I did that. Grab a full handful, slice it up in the middle, fold it up, and then continue slicing. As you're slicing, you're gathering anyone that is escaping and then slicing them over, running it over and over until I'm done slicing up all the vegetables. As you can see, I'll go ahead and bag this up in my ziplock. Yes, I cannot do without a ziplock. Ziplock is like my best friend. Yeah, everything I do, I need to have ziplock handy. So after bagging this up, I got, I think, about 6 bags. Yeah, So the sixth one is not completely full, but that's what I got on day one. Then I proceeded on the next day, and I already went halfway. Like, as you can see, the back side is all done and cleared, and I also remove all the tree that is at the bottom. So this is quite a lot. I've been pushing it down to have more inside the pot, and this is a very large, my large pot. And I also remove all the grass. So this place has so much grass in it, so I removed all the grass. As you can see, all over the corners you can see grass. So I'll use my lawn machine to just run over the grasses, and then they won't be looking this bad after I run my lawnmower over it, so they will look a little bit better. But right now this is what it looks like. So if I have time in the evening, I will continue harvesting the other ones. So I don't know if these things that I cut this way, if they are still gonna grow back or not, but I don't really care if they don't grow back again. That is, if they don't make more leaves, I really don't care, okay, because I've gotten enough. Yeah, so that is it. That's it for today. Like I said, if I have more time and strength in the evening, I will come back to get the remaining ones. Otherwise, I will continue tomorrow. So for now, I'll take this one that I already harvested inside the house and plug them and cut them just like I did yesterday, and I will show you guys what it looks like once I'm done getting all the leaves, and I will know how many ziploc bag that I was able to get. But for now, let me go and get these ones already and put inside my freezer as well. I will see you guys soon. So guys, this is what it looks like on day 2 after washing and slicing them up. So it seems like I got a little bit more than I got on day 1. Okay, I did a little bit of work, so I got about 4 large bags and 5 small or medium sized bags. So I'll go ahead and put this on my freezer as well. Then on day 3, so today I'm sure that I will be able to get the remaining one. Okay, I'll make sure that I plug the remaining part of the green today, and it's almost done. It's kind of sunning right now, but I just want to get it out of the way. So I'll proceed after cutting all the vegetable. I left like 2 or 3 stems. I wanted to grow some seed. So here I cut them up. I got 3 bags. Not that it's just 3 that I got today. I used a lot of the green today to make some recipes that will be coming up on this channel. So I only saved up 3, and I'll be putting it in my freezer as well. It's been over a month I made this video, but I haven't gotten a chance to edit it. But finally I have a little time to do that today. So this is the back of the side that I harvested that I thought was not going to grow back, but look at them, they have all grown back again. So I'll be doing another set of harvesting once I have time to. Yes, it has grown back up, so I'll be cutting them again anytime soon. So cutting vegetable is not easy. After cutting vegetable for 3 days in a row, my hands were hurting so bad, and that made me realize how hard cutting vegetable can be. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I will see you all on my next one. Stay safe and bye-bye.